Hi, and today I am working with 2016 Word. I'm sharing header only one page. First, I'm going to left click on blank document. Now I'm going to double left click at the top of the page to open the header. Scroll to the insert, left click. Scroll right to design, left click. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click in the box for different first page. Okay, for example purposes, I typed in sample header, and now we're going to scroll down to page 2. After scrolling down and opening page 2, if the header continues and you would like to remove the header, you're going to want to double click at the top of the page up at the header. Then you're going to want to scroll up and left click insert. Now you're going to scroll right all the way over to header and you're going to open this, left click. You're going to scroll down and you're going to left click on remove header. And there we have it. At the top of the page, sample header. On page 2, no header. Click back in the page. And you can continue writing. Thanks for watching.